Hello, everyone. My name is Edward Adamson, and the book that I read was Driven from Within by Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan, honestly, Michael Jordan to me when growing up, was everything to me. When growing up, all I wanted to be just like Michael Jordan. Excuse me. Just to watch him perform every night, it was like magic. Like honestly, like I used to just go down in detail and watch like the number of steps he'll take when he do it fade away, or you know, or how he play defense, or just those things. What made me get this book and really read it, and I really did enjoy it. And the main idea of this book was about Michael Jordan telling you what he did to work on his work ethics, becoming a role model, and becoming like the greatest player who ever played the game of basketball. The three main details of this story was him talking about waking up at 6 a.m. every morning to work on his fundamentals as a high school junior. The second main detail of this book was about him spending numerous hours with the shoe company Nike to have the number one selling basketball shoe of all times. And the third main idea of this book was talking about what it takes to be great and become legendary. And the minor detail I feel the book talked about was how he donated. Like we hear everything about how he, his shoe sales, how much money he made, how many championship rings he had won. But I feel like what most important was, beside his accolades that he accomplished, was he donated over $300 million to different charities. So it's just like, of course, of course he rich and everything, but for him to donate that much money to different charities to help out, that speaks volumes of him, man. So I feel like if you feel like you need something that encourage you, or something that that will motivate you, or if you just need something that will pick you up, you need to go read this book, because you'll understand what it really takes to really be great. So I thank you for listening.